past life regression. Saying past life regression really gets a lot of intrigue. We are very, very interested. Yet, there's a lot of fear that's connected with past life regression. So this PLR, which is very, very, intriguing, exciting, also has a lot of ifs and buts about going through this session. Why is that so? So most of the people that I encountered, they are fascinated by this past life, that I am into past life regression, I can do past life regression for you, Raas Pichle Janam Ka. The only fear that they have, what if I get stuck in my past life? What if I don't remember anything what I saw or felt? What if I have no charge and control of what I am doing and saying, and you'll get to know all my secrets. So friends, let me tell you, past life regression is also basically about the memories that all of us have about our past life in human form, stored in our subconscious mind in another space called primitive memory. Here, it's a deeper state of subconscious mind, and we have all our past life kept there in read-only DVD format, where we can go there, access it, look at it or feel it as if we are seeing a movie and come out. No one has ever been stuck in a past life, or nobody can change or shift their past life memory, what they have been through. Why do we do past life regression? So, at times in our life, in our relationships, or in our financial state, or in our health conditions, there are many times there are no reasons, or there is no understanding of why this happened. Patterns in life, they keep happening. I keep having this person who comes in my life and everybody ditches me. So we don't know why this happens. When there are no answers in your current life about whatever is happening in your life as a pattern, then it's time to do a past life regression, because our cells carry all the past life memories. Only thing they are shut because they are in our subconscious mind. When we go and access a past life, our cellular memory gets activated and there is a release, because the awareness comes, okay, so I did this, I ditched that person, that is why I am getting ditched in my current life, is what comes out as an awareness and knowing. And once that release happens in the cellular memories, you will see the release happening in your life and your life will open up. So friends, it's very interesting to do a past life memory and to get your own awareness. It's also good as an experience where you would just like to know what you were in your past life. So it's absolutely safe, it's absolutely comfortable, it's a deep state, and you will remember everything that you heard, saw or felt in your past life, whatever you have been through as an experience. So it's really exciting, it's really interesting, and it really does help you when there are no other solutions or reasoning in your current life. It's that time to get back there and access your past life. So join me if you are interested in a past life session. I have been trained under Dr. Brian Weiss from New York. I've been certified with him, and it's a beautiful journey together. Thank you.